Hey guys, Mega Smash here, and today we're going to be opening a Dark Neostorm special edition pack with uh, three, right here, three Dark Neostorm booster packs, one of two super rare variant cards, one of two super rare variants non-foil cards from the Rising Rampage booster set. But anyway, I'll be able to get one of these cards here, so that's pretty exciting. Anyway, I'm gonna be opening this pack. I'm probably gonna be trading some of these away. I don't know. But anyway, let's get right down to it. Oh my gosh, this again. Time to do the thing. Why don't they just make it fold instead of this? No, this is not working. This is not working. I'll have to just pull it out. I don't understand why they do that. It's not fun to do. Exactly, see? That happens. That stuff happens. And now this is when we need to bring out the knife. Right there. Alright, got it. Finally. Alright. So, we have three Dark Neostorm packs. Ooh. Alright. Here are some of the super variant cards. Let me unfold the knife first, so I don't get myself hurt. Alright. Open this flap up. Yeah, there we go. So, oh, where did it go? Yeah, right here. So, looks like we have Beat Raptor and Magicalized Fusion. Alright. Pretty cool. Yep. Should have bought another of these, but that would have spent too much, and besides I'm going to Oregon to possibly buy my packs. So hold on, let me fix my stand up so we can. Okay. So first we have our first pack that we're gonna open. So let's see what's inside. Alright, Goki the Blade Ogre, Assault Mode 0, Firewalled Guardian, World Legacy Cliffhanger, number 5 Doom Chimera Dragon. That's a pretty cool one. I'm just gonna say how I see it. Mad Lucky Teacher Gracefully, I don't know. Valkyrie Chariot, Guard Dragon Reincarnation, and Cyber Reminder. Alright. I guess for a bigger reveal, I'll have to like remove like 3 from the back. Wait, is it 3 from the back? Yeah, 3 from the back. Why not? Alright, let's open another pack. Alright. Alright, from the start we get Dino Wrestler Marshall Inga, Super Quantal Alphabetical Appeal, Yuki Musume the Ice Akashi, I don't know, Polimo the Drop-In Delter, Deus Ex Crawler, XYZ Sledolphin, Nightmare Incarnation Italy, Ampharos Swarm, Ambal, and Stand-In. Alright. And our final pack here. Let's open that. Alright. So we got Mord Schlang, Crusadia Testament, Magical Musket Crooked Crown. Oh wait. Super Quantal Mecha Beast Luster Rex, Dino Wrestler Giga Spinavit, World Legacy Collapse, Grid Sweeper, Dino Wrestle Chimera T Rexital, and Cyberverse Reminder. Alright. Alright, those were some nice cards. Pretty good. Yeah. But anyway, I had to sign off. See ya.